Hi, for this video, what I want to do is talk to you about rounding decimals. If you're using an online homework platform, it's very important to be able to round to the correct place. And I know sometimes with different online platforms, they tell you to round to different things like tenths, hundredths. Sometimes they'll say 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, but it's important to understand that language and how to round appropriately. So the first thing that you're going to do is figure out the place that you are rounding to, and you're going to look at the value to the right of that place. If the digit to the right is 5 or greater, so it's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then you're going to round up one value, and then you're going to remove all the other values to the right. Basically, you're changing them to 0, but because it's a decimal, you just don't have to write them. If the digit is less than 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then you do not change the value, and you're going to, again, remove all of the values to the right of that value. So if you struggle with this, ones is just the whole number. Tenths is 1 decimal place. If you think about it, 10 has 1 0, and so that's 1 decimal place. It's dividing by 10. Hundredths is dividing by hundredths, so it's 2 decimal places. There are 2 0 in hundreds. 3 0 in thousands, so 3 decimal places is thousandths. 10 thousandths is 4. 100 thousandths is 5, and millionths is 6 decimal places. So that's kind of how you figure it out. Just remember that you're dividing by either 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. And however many zeros are in that value as a whole number, that's how many decimal places you are rounding to. So I am going to work with Euler's number. Euler's number E is a mathematical constant that shows up in a lot of math classes. It is something that is approximately 2.71828. And it is a value we work with all the time, so that's why I picked this value. So we're going to round 2.71828 to the nearest hundredth. And again, remember hundredth has 2 zeros, so that means that we're rounding to this value right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look to the value to the right, and we can see that 8 is greater than 5. So since it is greater than 5, we're going to round that 1 up by 1 value. So I would just round this to 2.71, and that is my answer. So hundredths again is 2 decimal places. And then for the second example, 2.71828 to the nearest thousandth, or 1,000 has 3 zeros in it. So we're going to round to 3 decimal places. So we're going to look at this 8 right here, look to the right. Since 2 is less than 5, we are going to keep the value the same. So we would have 2.718, and then we just don't write the rest of the decimal places to the right. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.